Department of Computer Science by the volunteers. So, oja sorot research ko matamba dengan people tamina kay ko na na ba volunteer si Grahijeli. Daling sing jabam na yu bala istoda kana ako magi biek tao na nang pagdawang ng mare yu bala istora iba istor sila sang biu kana ako magi biek tao na nang pagdawang ng mare volunteer sing ay request anjali chan sing. We like to honor our respected Sri Soros Biswas, NIT Center Department of Computer Science by presenting our simple contribution. Ojashi dengan si na kay pagkahupiro. Sir, my honest because this time is short, please not to lengthen your lecture. You please give the important points. Okay, it is our honest request, sir. Time is very limited. जो बजाजा माइक्रोफोन से सीना जा रहा है.
Tao ngày biểu phải nói cái lại chỉ một lần đi quay cặp sẽ xong.
Dạ, chị lấy cái sụn ngắn cái sụn này. Các bạn sẽ làm gì? Hello. Single langsir ko pagi lagi ojan nilbin na nahan mali kende na pasai thawai jam na nuai jai order bacham na to jage na khandai ako itim amda samsang hai ojan nilbin order tau si hello. Good evening, everybody. Namaskar to all. I'm very privileged that I have been invited here to deliver a lecture on say computer literacy and well computer right now on 21st century, and what are the application areas and how it can be used in the different applications of human beings into 21st century. So I would like to show all those things how it can be used in different reviews. That is the objective of this presentation. So therefore, Dr. had given the title of the presentation as the presence and impact of computer technology on society in 21st century. So the slide initially I have here the definition of the computer. Nowadays everybody we know what's a computer. Computer is like this. It must have some kind of components, and if you see the components, these are the main components of a computer, and these are input unit, output unit, memory unit, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit. The descriptions are given here, but I'm not going to talk about all those things in detail due to paucity of time. But if we talk about some of the input devices, so these are the example of the input devices, like the keyboard, and this is mouse. This is called actually a mouse, and also this is called a joystick. So most of the time when you do the gaming in computer, so it's a big computer, and we can see these kind of input devices by that gaming can be done. And then we have here scanner as an input device. We have a webcam, and here a light pen. These are some of the input devices of computer. Similarly, we have an output component in computer. So here are some some of the output components are given: the monitor, printer, headphone, speaker, projector. These all are belonging to output device in computer. Apart from input and output, in computer we have a memory because computer is store uh, content, information, images, pictures, number of things. For that, the computer must have memory, and these are the here some of the name of the memories and the different kind of memories are here in computer. So just I have taken the snapshot and I have shown here so that you can have an idea that these kind of things are here in computer. So those things generally we can't see. Most of the component, most of the part of the memory is including a computer. Some of the part is outside of the computer, and here you can see some of the parts of the memory which are lying outside. These are called secondary memory, and here we have this kind of thing. And thereafter we have a control memory. This is how the computer is taking some kind of decision. It is done by control unit, and this is the structure of the control unit. And this kind of control unit is located inside of the computer. And here we have one more that is called ALU, that is called arithmetic and logic unit. So whenever we want to do some kind of mathematical operation in computer, all kind of mathematical operation is done by this unit. This is about computer here, and thereafter we have types of computer. So nowadays, specifically we talk about the type of computer. There is no specific distinction between the computer, but still, based on the scale how we are using the computers, we can categorize them. The first category is called personal computer, then mini computer, then workstation, that's called supercomputer, and then we have laptop, and nowadays we also have tablet. Tablet is computer, right? And tablet is a special kind of computer that is wireless touch screen PC computer. And now here we have, already I told you, it's a 21st generation or 21st century. So all the things are being done by computer. You cannot find any applications where computer cannot be used nowadays. So it is our honest aspect that what are the applications, what are the things that can be done using computer, and the engineer of this slide is here to show you the different kind of mediums where the computer can be used. Like say in education field, computer can be used, business, hospitals, bankings, government officials, home, marketing, entertainment. In all space we can see the use of application. So initially we have a home, how computer we can use. So in home, in that sense we can use computer, online bill payment, nowadays you do, right? So even if a mobile bill we pay by computer. Then watching movies can be done. Home tutoring, because by computer we can take coachings, we can take tuitions, we can take training, different kinds of things we can do. And then we have social media analysis we can do, social media access we can do, playing games, internet access, those kind of things can be done. And computers also can be used in the hospital nowadays for these kind of activities. For an example, to maintain a database of patient's history, the diagnosis, X-ray, ultrasound, all kind of things can be done by computer. In hospitals, many more things can be done. And computers is prominently used as a business, and these are what communication, marketing, accounting, data storage, produce document, data tracking everywhere. Nowadays in the business, the computer is used prominently in business. And here, I have taken some of the tasks. All the tasks cannot be read out here. Then coming to next here, so computers we can see nowadays in banking. So most of the tasks of the banking can be done using computers, and these are the tasks which can be done in the bank by computers. And thereafter we have here, computers can be used in educational purposes nowadays. Nowadays, prominently after the COVID, we can see so huge applications of computers in educations, like say storage of information can be done. So quick data processing can be done. Audio visual aids in teaching. So many times we can have a different level of say students or the learner. Some learners are very fast learners, the quick learners. Those learners are very much adaptive in say school education by a teacher. But sometimes we have very slow learners, those who cannot catch directly. For them it's a very good and say popular tool because the content can be repeated again and again. You must have a teacher or by the teacher the content can be recorded and that record can be played again and again. So if you are a slow learner, then nowadays by computer learning can be one of the say basic or one of the most important kind of thing. And thereafter we have access to internet. Many more things are here, and the training can be taken. A smart classroom, right? Different kind of courses are given by computer. So in your locality, you have nowadays you can see that East Coast. There is you have a coaching center, so you can get a training of different kind of programming languages and different kind of materials, so that you can be industry ready. So after graduation, you cannot have a much material. So you could get the training from here, that you can be trained. So your placement and the digital activities can be done very easily. So here, man, I request everybody that as you are local, you have a local training center, and which is especially comes under education. So you can try and you can look into this. East Code is the name of the local center here. And thereafter we have the applications here, computers in the government offices. And here these are the applications where the computers can be used in the government offices. And after that here, computers can be used in entertainment. In our home we can use the computer for entertainment. Like what? We can watch movies and serials in computer. Then music, art, games, videos, right? And the flight simulator or the simulation can be done in our home by computer. Then electronic puzzle games also we can do at our home using computers. And these are some of the applications of the computer in different areas. What we do nowadays by computer. And after that, I have some materials, but I don't want to elaborate here those things because those things are not related. Then coming to the next one, that is now you can have in mind that. After computer training, what kind of jobs or what kind of opportunities do you have in front of you? So these are the jobs which are available in IT industry. Just I have taken here some of the jobs which are available in the IT industry. Try to understand computer doesn't mean only the typing, doesn't mean only the coding kind of thing. Computer means a lot. And there are different kind of jobs what you cannot imagine if you don't know all the things physically. So therefore, my earnest request here is to show you different kind of jobs which can be that are which you are or you can be eligible for those kind of jobs if you got proper training in computer with the different kind of uses, with different kind of softwares. So here we have the name of some of the jobs, or these are actually types of jobs in IT sector. Like say network administrator. So network administrator is one of the prominent jobs, right? You have internet. So internet has to be maintained by somebody, and that kind of job is called network administration or the network administrator. This is the kind of job in say computer or IT sector. Then we have user experience designer. This is another kind of job. Then we have system analyst, another kind of job. Then database administrator, software application package. Then full stack developer. And here senior software engineer. Whenever there is a need of developing a new software, then this senior engineer should play a major role to design a new software. Here we have a data scientist, then development operation engineer, cloud engineer, IT security specialist, analytics manager, director of information technology, mobile developer, game developer, hardware engineer, web developer, help desk analyst, and then we have IT coordinators, web administrator. Just I have highlighted here some of the jobs offered by IT industry. But there are different kind of jobs that cannot be in here. The exhaustive list cannot be presented here. But I can tell you one thing: if you are really very much educated in the IT industry, or if you have a very good education about computer technology, then there is no doubt of jobs, and you will have a very good prospect and very bright future. All the best, everybody, those who are very much interested in computer. Thank you very much once again for your patience for this deliberation. Thank you very much.